Pauline, est-ce que tu aimes ton anniversaire? C'est super, hein? Et maintenant, il y a la princesse qui arrive. Ça va être bien, hein?
No way! She's even dressed like you. Look, everybody. Mom's gonna ask you to scoot around and just get beautiful over here. Are you Tinkerbell or somebody? Who are you? Oh, you're Cinderella. Sorry, your makeup was a little bit deceiving, though. Okay, everybody. You're Sleeping Beauty. So nice. How about everybody? Everybody. Can you make a big circle? Can you take everybody by their hands? Yes, grab your hands, get into the circle. Mamas want to get into the circle? Go ahead. Mama, Papa. Good. Okay. Why everybody's so beautiful? Okay, can you put it down right on the piano? It won't run away. Yes, you're just like Belle. You're a princess, aren't you? And you're just like the Belle. And you're also the princess. And if you're not a girl, then you're a boy. You're Snow White. Oh, no, I'm not a Snow White. You're a Snow White? Okay, is that your favorite princess, I bet? Okay, everybody. How about, hey, let's get your dolly right here so she's going to watch us, okay? She's going to sit here and watch us. Grab the boy. Grab his hand. Don't be afraid. I'll tell you to blow out balloons. You take lots and lots of hair. Blow really hard. Grab her hand. And 1, 2, 3. Blow up that balloon, blow it up. Big it round. It's blowing up. 1, 2, 3. And 1 again. Oh, how nice! That is really nice of you. Can you let your hands go? Woo! Can I get around like that? Okay. You know what? Since we're all princesses and princes, we suppose we could go to the castle. How about that? Will we go to the castle? Okay, but we cannot just walk through the forest. How about we use some animal who has 4 legs, and when it goes, it does like... It's a horsey! High five! Good job! Okay, so who knows how to ride the horsey? You know? Do you know how? Okay, do you know that you're supposed to sit on the horsey? Yeah, okay. Grab your horsey and put your legs all around the horsey. Good job. Okay, are you sitting on the horsey? Are you tight? Good. Can you go on the horsey? Stay here. Stay in this part. Don't go too far away. Maybe. Yes. One thing gets you there. So don't go there. I can see the castle. Over there. I can see it already. Can you see it? Yes. Okay, let's try. Oh, I'm so tired. Is your horsey tired? No. That's nice. Come over here, everybody. I'll tell you a secret. We must get just into the castle, just like this, because nobody's going to open up the door for us. Can we knock on the door? No. Can you knock? Good job. I hope this house will turn that. Okay. Nobody's going to open it up, but there's a tiny little hole in the wall, and we can crawl right through the hole in the wall. Can you do that? Yeah. Okay, everybody. I guess that you're not a birthday girl, are you? You have to be very. Everybody get into the long line. Get in line. Just stay here. Good. Okay, get in line. Very good. Look at that. I am going to show you that hole in the wall right now. Look at that. And not just a hole in the wall. And when we get into the castle, we'll see how many magical things. 1, 2, ta-da! Okay, hold on. When the music sounds, you will have to crawl one by one through the tunnel. And then you come out and run back to the end of the line, okay? Back to the beginning of the tunnel. The end of the line, okay? Let's try that. Okay. Okay, Vanina. Get in. No,